So I have to show you guys this. This is the most awesomest thing that my sister found me on her travels doing, well, she likes to go thrift shopping. She found me this Bob Ross paint by numbers. Isn't that cute? Look, it's just a tiny little box too. It's hilarious. So I just, let's look inside because I'm just curious to find out what they have in there. So let's have a gander, shall we? Ooh, look. Look at all the paints in there. Ooh. So you've got blue, it's red. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna pronounce every one. You know your colors. If you don't know your colors, why are you hanging out and looking at my stuff? Because I do a lot of colors. What else? This is cool. So it comes with all these cool little paints in there. Let me just pull them all out here. And of course, our white. We gotta have our white, and we have our black here. Now this is cool. So they got all little pads of the different colors that you're gonna be using for doing your. Oh my gosh! Look at this. You even get Bob Ross paintbrush. Oh, you get a paintbrush. The tip still looks good. I could even use that for doing face painting. That's a perfect little thing for doing face painting right there. I wouldn't use these paints for face painting, but you could use these paints for actually painting what's inside, because this is cute. You get like a little, well, I'll show you that in a second. I'm going to show you what else it comes with. It comes with this little tiny book. It's got a tiny book in here, and it, well, I don't know if you guys, whoever has ever seen this before, you get a little tiny book of the Bob Ross paint by numbers. See if we can focus in that a little better. There we go. And inside that book, it has all kinds of like the history of Bob Ross, and of course it's got the happy trees here in the front one, so it shows you inside. Let's see. I don't know if I can open it up for you and stuff. I guess it'll show you like how to mix your colors and what colors make what. I know I have a video that'll show you guys how to do that, but this makes it cool for you when you're ever trying to do painting on your own. And there's somebody gets some nice scenic. Oh, you gotta see what we have. It's hilarious paint by numbers. So we'll go back to this piece of paper over here. Now this piece of paper, it has. Bear with me. It has like the little scenes in here, and it's got the little numbers to associate with what colors are in these little pads here. Of course, go with the colors here to mix it over here, and creating stuff like, oh, but I'll show you, because this is hilarious, because you get your own little tiny little easel to set everything on afterwards when you're done making your creation with your Bob Ross kit. But to be quite honest, I don't think I'm going to actually use it. I'm going to keep it and save it because this is hilarious. But look at. Oh, who's excited? Kim's excited. That's right. Okay, so look at. All right. First one you get is a nice. Look at that. The happy trees. You get the mountain range. It's a paint by number. So you go to this piece of paper here, and it gives you what colors to do, and you make this nice little painting right here. Okay. Yeah. Very cool. And so then afterwards, like after you've done it, you can set it up on that nice little thing like that. Now that's hilarious. I love that. Okay, so there's that, and you get a couple different ones. So you get like the covered bridge, very cool, the covered bridge, and one final one. Of course, I had somebody in one of my Paint Night Niagara groups do this to actually a picture of Bob Ross, and it almost looked like that, but he was green at the time. It was great. Anyways, so yeah, this is a nice cool one to show you how to do Bob Ross. There's even, hold on a second, I can show you. Hang that on there for now. So if you go in this little piece of paper here, it even has, see, look, there's the bridge there. It gives you a list of what the colors are going to be for the bridge. Oh, sorry about that. And you can make that bridge yourself. It'll look just like that with the paint by numbers. No, it won't. But it's funny to think like that. Okay. Let's see, there's the one with Bob Ross on it too. So, hold on, give me a second. So, see, this is supposed to look like right there. See, and then there's the paint by number, so it's going to tell you what colors to use for his face and stuff, and it should like that when you're done. Yeah, yeah. I think you could probably do it. Make something cool like that from like this right here. Yeah, I think it's possible. Well, okay, maybe not. But I mean,